Here's one of the more popular years in El Caminos, 1959. Nice looking car, nice paint in this car. Powered by a 283 underneath the hood. And an Edelbrock intake on that. Some nice equipment, power steering, power brakes. That's paired with a 700 R4 automatic with overdrive transmission. You can see bright work up front. Also in nice shape. I'd consider this a very top of the driver quality paint and car. Setup also very nice underneath as far as suspension goes. The front has tubular control arms up front. Those are classic performance product brand control arms up front. In the rear has PMT fabrication rear suspension kit with a panhard bar. So set up to drive nicely. Also has a custom exhaust, kind of a low profile exhaust underneath there so it doesn't hang down. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, check out the engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. You can feel free to give us a call too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer questions you have on this car. See, it's riding on American racing wheels. Does have drilled rotors up front, so disc brakes up front. Like I said, they are power brakes and power steering. See, up and down this car, very nice and straight. If you look down on the underside, I don't know if I can get them to show up in the video. There are a couple imperfections. I think it may be more on the other side, and then this side, when I get around, we'll take a look at that too. But overall, like I said, kind of a nice driver quality, dual rear exhaust coming out the back here, nice chrome finish to it, very nice exhaust setup on this. Vinyl bench seat in it, the bed also in nice shape, all the bright work on the fins of the 59, great looking car. Be a nice one for any of your local cruise-ins, local shows. Has a nice rumble to it. Nothing obnoxious, but a nice little rumble coming out of that 283 under the hood. Again, check out the still pictures. Take a good close look at all of them. Undersides, engine bay. Still pictures, once again, can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available on these classics, and of course we can assist you with setting up the transportation to get this vehicle to where you're located at. I'll come down here again, see if I can find. Here's that little spot I was kind of talking about, where you can see a little bit of the work that was done to it. Like I said, overall, very nice running, driving vehicle. Again, the number to call us, got any questions, 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this car. Let's go ahead and check out the interior here. It's a vinyl bench seat. Nice carpeting throughout. Custom door cards. But yeah, it retains the stock dash. Nice headliner and everything finished off in here. Let's go ahead and fire this up and get an idea how it sounds and runs. Vehicle starts easily. Rear gas gauge works. Wipers did work. Had those on a little bit ago. I did not get the stereo to power up. Looks like it's got the original radio in it. As you can see, dash paint in nice shape. Horn works. Door closes nicely. I'm going to pause the video here a second. Let's pop this hood and get a look underneath it. Check that out and see how smooth that V8 runs. Alright, here you go. See how nice and tidy the engine compartment is. Power brakes, power steering. Engine runs very smoothly through a 4-barrel carb sitting on top of that Edelbrock intake. Just let you you'd expect for a nice driver. There you kind of have it. 1959 Chevrolet El Camino. 283 V8 under the hood, 700 R4 tranny. Nice suspension components. Check out the still pictures. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can sure assist you with transportation to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you.